minister in India. See, only we have to change the places of this kind of minister and that Modi for positive degree, and in comparative degree as it is we have to use just changes are from this than, and superlative form of adjective should be changed into comparative form of adjective. Here one more time this same example we will study. Superlative degree, Modi is the most powerful minister in India. Positive degree, no other minister is as powerful as Modi in India. Comparative degree, Modi is more powerful than any other minister in India. Let's discuss one more example. Very fast we will discuss. Sneha is the tallest girl in the school. Superlative degree, how? Superlative form, and before the we have to change it positive. It should start with no other girl. No other girl is as tall as Sneha. No other girl is as tall as Sneha in the school. You can write down this sentence into like this also. No other girl in the school is as tall as Sneha. Both the sentences are correct. Now comparative degree, it is also very easy. Same we have to write down. Sneha is taller than any other girl in the school. Sneha is taller than any other girl in the school. This was about before superlative form. If we find any article, that is the, any superlative form, and before that if there is article the, that time we have to start positive degree with no other after changing that places of persons who are compared, and then in comparative degree we have to use than any other. This was of the tallest, the most, likewise. Another type of superlative degree sentences are there. We will discuss with the help of examples. Now in such examples, let me explain. In superlative degree, there will be some words, one of the. For example, see, superlative degree. Ritesh is one of the most important persons in the office. That time we have to start positive degree sentence with very few persons. It will not be there because this is plural. Are, very few persons are as important as Ritesh in the office. When there is one of the before superlative form of adjective, that time we have to start our positive degree sentence with very few persons are as important as Ritesh in the office. Now comparative degree, same, there is no change. Ritesh is, same technique is there, just words are different. Some different words we have to use. Ritesh is more important than most other persons in the office. See what I have done, I have used than most other persons. One of the superlative form, that time we should start positive sentence with very few, and in comparative degree we have to use than most other persons. And before this, whatever the examples we have discussed, in those examples only article the is used before superlative form of verb. That time we have to start positive degree sentences with no other, and in comparative sentences we have to use than any other, and then whatever the comparison is there. So friends, this was all about degrees of comparison. Positive degree sentences should be changed into comparative degree sentences. Comparative degree sentences should be changed into only in positive degree sentences. Superlative degree sentences must be changed into positive as well as comparative. Whenever you find question of superlative degree sentences, that time answers should be written in positive as well as comparative. Then and then you will get full marks. If only comparative sentence is given, that time we have to change it into positive degree, and if positive degree sentence is given, it should be changed into comparative degree. For a day, we'll stop here. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments, or else you can upload it in our WhatsApp group. So we'll stop here. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.